It's Morgan from WTI, and when I tell you that this little portable Bluetooth speaker has changed the game for me, I am not exaggerating. Let me tell you why. This little speaker is from LFS. It is portable. It has 7 different colors that it cycles through, which is really fun. You don't really see that in a lot of speakers today, and I love being able to change the colors as I play music. It is super loud. It has really clear sound. Another fun thing is that it has a magnet on one side, so you can stick it to your refrigerator, you can stick it in your shower, your beach umbrella, you can tie it to your backpack. When you're outside, it's really fun. I take this with me everywhere. Anytime I travel, around the house, in the backyard, at the beach, parties, it's just a really great speaker. And when I say the sound gets really loud, I mean it. One time I was at the beach with friends and I was blasting music on this and somebody said, "Where is that sound coming from? I don't even see a speaker anywhere." When I pointed to this speaker, they were shocked at the sound quality. That is a true story. When I tell you I really love this speaker, I mean it. I've been using it for years. I'm going to continue to use it for years, and that's my point of view.